Hello, everyone. Edward Productions here, and welcome to our very first Minecraft Let's Play video inside of the lovely Oak Creek Railway. With this one, this is in Bedrock Minecraft on the PC, and with it we have a couple of mods based around railroading and machinery, as well as some nice furniture. But it's not just me today. Today I am with Gordon. Wait, where's Gordon?
Hello!
Oh shit!
Hello, the little Edward.
Hello, Gordon. Well, welcome to the Oak Creek Railway. Obviously,
Thank you for having me on.
welcome. Obviously, Henry wasn't available to come on because his smoke box currently has been stuffed to the brim with soot. So in the meantime, it's just simply us two. And obviously, when we start in the world, we get a starter chest. Also, I'm gonna be
Hi.
taking these.
What thanks?
Wait, wait a minute, I'm at least getting, some of the wood.
You can have the remaining wood. I've got the planks. You can have the rest of it.
I'll use it for burning later. Actually, wait a minute. I could just do this. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Before we break anything, let me just do this real quick. Just to make our lives a little easier. There we go. Wait, what time of day is it? Oh, wait a minute. It's starting to become fall. Wait a minute. Let's see if there's anything near us. Obviously, there's quite a large area over here. Hey Gordon, there's a village over here. Come over.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, a village.
Yes, there's a village over here.
Ooh.
Oh, wait. Is there 3 blacksmiths?
Wait, there's 3 of these? Oh my god. Iron!
That's what I'm saying. Now that's what I'm talking about. Who knew that?
I've got an iron. I've got 7 iron thingies.
What, ingots?
Ingots and an iron sword, an iron pickaxe, and an iron chest plate, all from one chest.
I was actually able to get a spear and some obsidian. Wait a minute. There's another one down here.
And wood.
We got diamonds!
No fucking way.
Hey, it's only 1 diamond though. But that is a really good start for us so far. So, and also to our viewers at the moment, I will say this, I test played Minecraft before I started this current recording, mostly because I wasn't sure exactly what was to be expected. But seeing what this is to show, I'm looking strongly to it, especially now that I have all these unique mobs. Oh, that might be a problem.
What?
Gordon, come over here, please.
I'm on my way.
Look over there.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. I thought you were talking about the creeper. I could only see the creeper. I just turned the camera. Oh god.
Wait, get into a bed quickly.
I'm trying to. Oh, get out, you silly thing.
Alright.
I'm accommodating this better than my own.
Okay. Wait, and also, when you loaded in, you're well aware of the couple of books that was in your inventory, right?
Yes, I'm doing the books.
So the first thing that I think would be in our best interest, or at least for one of us, I'm gonna get this blueprint to the Iron Golem. He's going to give us there we go, an Iron Golem blueprint. So now, with this, we can have an infinite iron farm, as long as we give it fuel.
Oh.
Obviously, with something as big as this is going to be eating up a couple of resources, specifically coal, I believe. But other than that, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Also,
Yep.
with these farms as well, they do work with certain ones. So if you wanted, let's say, a watermelon farm, that we could just do that. Because let's be honest, with redstone, I would rather do it with the wheat or, say, heck, even the beetroots instead of watermelon. Watermelon's the exception.
Yeah.
Watermelon's the only one we use the blueprints for. Oh, and also, one of the things that I'd say that we need to take a look at is over there. Also, wait, Gordon, here. I'll take the chest plates. You take the pants. Yeah, you already got yours. Nice. Okay. Oh, and also, wait, do you have a weapon on you?
A weapon?
Here.
Indeed, I do.
Hopefully, we'll actually see if there's any enemies nearby.
There will be.
Yeah.
I mean, this is what's called an outpost, if I'm right.
Yes, that's, or at least from the research, that's the case. Oh, wait! Look, there's another iron golem trapped in here. Wait, let's free him. Let's free him.
Let's see the poor bugger. Ow!
Ow!
You can fuck off.
Alright.
For Gregory, I do not.
Okay. Iron golem, you're free.
Edward, I've got 2 hearts there.
Don't worry, don't worry. The iron golem will save us.
I'm on half a heart, I need to.
Oh! I just got one shotted by the one that helped us. Wait a minute. Okay, so the reason why that happens is because apparently if you punch one of them, it'll result in them killing you because they consider you as a threat if you accidentally punch them.
I see.
So apparently,
But
so
now,
as a result, I accidentally got punched by the ooglies.
Googlies.
Yes, the ooglies. Oogly mooglies are the things that keep smacking me in the face. Oh dear. Oh dear. No.
No. Oh,
Look out.
what's the matter?
Wait, there's a pillar. Wait, there was more iron in here. Wait a minute. Ew, oh, perfect. So I got us good news. I got us more iron, but the bad news is the iron golem that was in that other one over there did not make it.
Oh.
Ow! 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 What's wrong with these things? Currently,
Edward?
currently I'm just trying to survive at the moment. Wait a minute. Let's see. Oh,
Oh, for fuck's sake!
what happened?
There's a pillager. It fell in the water that I was down in the hole in.
Wait a minute. I see. Oh no. I think. Oh wait a minute. I see where he is. Wait a minute. Ow! 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 Ow!
You're getting attacked from behind.
Wait a minute. Let's not gather their stuff yet. Apparently, it seems that they are too strong.
And I'm just trying to get my stuff back.
Luckily, I put my. Ow! Okay. That hurts.
It's like, I've got... quite a lot of my stuff back. Not all of it.
Wait, what's the stuff that's missing?
My iron sword and my iron pick.
Well, I think I have your iron sword. I picked that up.
Oh, for fuck's sake! It doesn't help. It doesn't help that there's fucking 3 of them down there with my stuff, does it?
Honestly, no, it does not help it at all. Wait a minute. I'm gonna see if I can generate more help. Oh, wait, here. Yeah, wait, come here. Ow! Oh, dear.
Oh my god, will you fuck off?
They just don't...
Apologies for my language, Edward.
What?
Apologies for my language, Edward. Oh, I'm gonna die again. Oh. Edward.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait, I think they're starting to fight against each other.
But my stuff will despawn. I have a lot of food in my inventory.
Good news, one of them is dead. Oh dear. Okay, good news, one of them is dead. Bad news, there's at least 2 of them that are still alive.
And they're right next to my stuff as well.
Wait, did your stuff just despawn?
No, it's all still here.
Wait a minute. They're distracted.
Come on!
Ow!
Hit!
Well, that wasn't planned at all.
Fuck's sake! So this is Walnut Side episode 1, isn't it?
Apparently. Okay, one of them is dead. Okay, both of them are dead.
Oh, it's in the water, get back.
Yeah, a section of my stuff also floated off. Wait, let's see. Did you by any chance get a blueprint?
A blueprint.
Oh, wait a minute. I think I see it. Is this mine? No, that's yours. Oh, please tell me none of my stuff disappeared. Oh, this is going to suck if it went down there.
Right. Oh, I found the Iron Golem blueprint.
Hey, wait, where'd you find it?
Yes, it's here. Come to me, Edward. I'll throw it to you.
Alright, wait a minute, wait, there's a sword over here. It's your sword, yeah, this is your sword. Okay, I picked up your sword, and I think I picked up a few other things. Wait, first, here's this for you. Here's this. Your banners. Poppies. Oh, thank you. And then let me give you your sword. Your bridge guide. I think... I would know, and then also this. I think that's everything. I think. Oh, and no.
I also need my pickaxe.
Oh, that I didn't get. I don't know where that went. Oh, wait. Then there's those other two things of mine. It went. Ow! Okay, wait. So let's agree on this. We need to get out of here. Back to the village. Back to the village.
Retreat to the village.
I'll say this. Like, I say that once we set up storage at one of the houses for both of us, I think that will be all. I think they'll be set for now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Alright. Alright, it's morning.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look. Actually, yeah, this is actually a pretty nice piece of land, honestly.
That was Edward. That was an iron pickaxe that we've lost as well.
Don't worry, you remember the blueprint that I have?
Yes.
As long as we have the resources to keep it running, we could basically just have that thing run for us.
I know, but we lost a good bit of iron.
True. That honestly, yes, that is very true.
We lost like 17 bits of iron from that.
Wait a minute, let me see how much it actually would cost to build one of these things. Let's see. Oh, great.
Oh, it wants an emerald, a rotten flesh, a lava bucket.
Luckily, a lot of this stuff we can get here rather easily. But the thing that's going to be annoying is the lava buckets.
Yes.
Wait a minute, emerald. Wait a minute,
we,
emerald.
we know where we can find a furnace. I just don't have a pickaxe to get it. Right. Edward, do you know where the crafting table was?
Oh, wait a minute. It's right over here.
Right.
Okay, good.
Because then I can get the furnace.
Perfect. And actually, I was gonna say as well, as good news. I was able to put the emerald and rotten flesh. Sweet. So it looks like all we need is 2 wheat, 9 glass.
I did the rotten flesh.
Perfect.
Right, I need to find where one of the blacksmiths. Over there.
Let's see. Missing that material. Wait a minute. How much? Wait. So what's the thing that you're getting?
I'm gonna get furnace.
Perfect.
And if we get a bit of sand, from what I've been told, if we get a bit of sand, we smelt that in a furnace.
Oh yeah.
We can get a glass.
Yeah. And depending on what, I believe it also said, like, depending on what resource you use, will also depend on how long it actually will take to cook.
Did we do the one first? Yeah, the one first done. The oak slabs got 25 of them.
That's honestly gonna be the easy bit. Wait, that just wait.
What?
Oh, you
Armor
gotta be.
stand.
Oh,
It wants a bloody armor stand, Edward.
that's honestly not that. Apparently, it's not that bad. But I just realized it wants the entire lava bucket, so we're wasting a lot of iron on this thing.
Iron that we don't have at the moment.
I have a good bit of iron, but it's going to eat up a lot of it.
Also, Edward.
Yeah.
Have you got any food?
Yes, yeah. I got some potatoes.
Never mind, I've got some apples. But
Yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna see if I actually wait a minute. We could just borrow one of the composters from one of the farm areas over here.
Yeah, but then we lose a farmer in the village.
Don't think so.
From what I've heard, I mean, I've seen those videos where if you break the code poster, it takes away the farmer role.
Yeah, that would be fair. Okay, so I took a look. We got the furnace in, the composter, the chest. Now we just need the iron bars, glass, wheat, armor stand, and the buckets and slabs.
What was that about a piece of glass?
Yeah, well, yeah, we would need 9 pieces of glass.
9.
Yeah.
I only had 1.
Luckily, it shouldn't be too hard.
3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And then there's already 1 in.
There we go. Oh, and also I don't know why I forgot about this. I also got bread. Lots of bread. Yeah. Yeah, I currently have like a lot of bread. Like a concerning amount of bread.
Ah, yes. I love watching wood burn. The fence is in.
Also, wait a minute. Do you have a slab on you?
No, I do not.
Alright, wait a minute. I was saying because it said I needed one more. There we go. Okay, I put it in. So the tedious one's going to be the lava buckets. Because we need 5 buckets. There's only 1 in there currently, so that means like we got the lava, that's not the problem, no. It's the insufferable amount.
Isn't there a way we can make a lava bucket?
What, like a farm?
Yeah, like a generator or something.
I believe so. I believe that what you would need, I want to say, is something called dripstone.
I don't see any dripstone caves around, do you?
No, I do not. Okay, let's see. So we need that. So
this is a very populated city center.
honestly, yes. Also, I made the buckets.
You've made the bucket. I've got the glass.
Perfect.
Oh my god. Why are you being so stupid?
Also, I don't think I've told you this, Gordon, but a section of the mobs, or not mobs, the mods that we actually have in this game, actually comprise of rariting mods.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't easy to get, but I was able to get some. And good news, I finally got the lava buckets. Oh, and also the iron bars.
Oh my god. Let me on the plans. There we go.
Okay, so
Now all we need is lava buckets and the armor stand.
actually no, we already got the lava buckets. It's just the armor stands we need now.
But, well, why does it say we still only got 1 out of 5?
Oh, just leave the thing. Like leave the thing and load back in. So it says we need 2 armor stands. So wait, do you have a pickaxe on you?
I have a wooden one, yes.
Actually, perfect. Let me think. Mine there's 1 piece of cobble right here. There we go. Thank you. Now, if I remembered right, if I run over here and convert it to stone, it wants something called a smooth stone slab, and I believe what we would need is we would have to cook it twice. So if I do this, I believe that'll work perfectly fine. Oh my... Gordon, you're not gonna believe this. Your pickaxe was spared. It was put in a bundle. Oh wait, is this... Yeah. So it was spared.
Why was it in a bloody bundle?
I don't know, honestly. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay,
It
so...
says it's an iron pickaxe, but in my inventory it looks like a stone one.
Wait a minute. Oh crap, that means we have... Wait a minute, I just realized. To make a slab, that means I feel like we have to do it the old-fashioned way. Would you be so kind as to mine 5 more cobble, specifically the roof?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. Oh wait, could you drop those? I believe you still have them. Thank you. There we go. Oh, wait a minute, that's only 4. Where's the 5th one?
It's not in my inventory.
Oh, wait a minute, did it go into another bundle?
It's on the roof.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Wait a minute. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay, so far so good. Yeah? 1 second. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so let me put...
It's alright.
Okay. Okay, so I'm currently cooking this up. I just realized on how much this is actually eating.
Eat.
Yeah, so far so good actually. Okay, okay, I'm putting the birch logs in there. Since we already have an abundance of it. There we go. Okay. Okay, so the remaining ones is cooking. Yep, I already hit the zombies. Okay. Okay, so now we need to run all the way back over here. To the little farm. Oh, creeper, creeper. Go back into one of the houses, go into one of the houses. Sorry, Mr. Villager. And while, wait a
I'm
minute.
accommodating this crapjack.
Alrighty. I just realized that I think that the last time when I played Minecraft, I think the texture of the bed changed, but I don't know if it was actually just me or not.
Oh, I don't know, Edward.
Okay, so what is it? So we got that done. Now I just need some sticks. I'm gonna borrow this right here. There we go. Oh, thank you. Okay, now I believe we have enough for these two. Yes, we do. Okay. There we go. Also, I just realized that Creeper is still alive. Killed it. Okay, so it says pumpkin seeds is the boost, and apparently the fuel it needs is coal of any kind. So honestly, we just made a great big thing of progress. Though, I think it's safe to say. There we go. Though I think it's safe to say, though, that this should be the conclusion for our first episode so far. For anyone who has watched this far, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to make sure that you never miss any of our videos. That'll be all from us for now. Bye-bye!
Bye.